Our lives are tethered to our ubiquitous smartphones and the personalized mobile apps that we trust and use daily. There are several situations when we want to use important apps without having to pick up our phones. In the car, while cooking in the kitchen, or while watching a show on TV. Today, more than ever, we multitask during online meetings and prefer not to touch our phones in specific environments. This demonstration shows how Q Actions enables hands-free communication in specific scenarios. First, I'm going to place my smartphone in a locked state, as it would likely be when it's on my desk, on the kitchen counter, or pocket.
Incoming call from Mark Mogdenberg. Would you like to answer it?
Decline. I'll call him back later.
Incoming call from Mark Mogdenberg. Would you like to answer it?
Answer. It's Mark again. Let me see what's up. Hello?
Hey, Dope, you got a minute?
Hey, Mark. I'm actually in a meeting. Could I give you a call back later?
Sure thing.
Okay, sounds good.
New message from Mark Mogdenberg. Would you like to hear it?
Yes.
By the way, we just got a message from Tom in accounting. Would you like to reply?
Call him. This is urgent, so I better call him right back. As you can see, I can do this hands-free while I'm in an online meeting. Q actually lets me listen to my messages hands-free, even if they came in on WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. Pretty convenient. Now, I'm going to unlock my phone and show you how I can use my favorite apps hands-free.
New WhatsApp message from Mark Mogdenberg. Would you like to hear it?
Yes.
Is our meeting on this afternoon? Would you like to reply?
Tell him yes, the meeting is on.
Message sent.
And I'm done.
New messenger message from Mark Mogdenberg. Would you like to hear it?
Yes.
Hey, did you watch The Mandalorian yesterday? Would you like to reply?
Call him. Hands-free, safe, and on top of my issues.